Hi there, this is Sheila. Welcome to the Painted Pig channel. I have another fail to report. This was not going to be the next video, but after spending a couple of hours editing the video, I tried to export it. You know, just the software exports it, it's kind of the same thing as saving it. It wouldn't do it. No. Something about an invalid profile. I don't know how that particular video could have an invalid profile, whatever that is. Because I didn't do anything different to it than I've done to the other 90 videos before it. But anyway, and I bought the software, so you contact support and they say, well, can you send us a screenshot and tell us more about what your problem is? Well, you tell them that it failed to export and it says invalid pro. What more can you do? What more can you, I don't know. Okay, rant over. Welcome to the channel for a flip through of Diana. It's not Antonia, it is not the Medieval Renaissance journal, it is Diana. And I almost covered her name up. But, so this is what we've ended up with. I went with a topper for the top. And, because I didn't like the way I had done this over here, it wasn't sitting well, it didn't look right to me, so. But this is a one signature soft cover 6x9 journal. Cloth covered on the outside and the inside. And vintage, I'll try to stay in the right place. Vintage doily here, doily. And it's using the Medieval Mirage kit and a Roxy Creations Renaissance kit. And the Medieval Mirage one was huge. But I tell you, it was limiting, just like the jerky. Okay, and you'll see on the edges of the pages, there is a beautiful little trim. I think I actually used it up, what I had, I'm not sure. And then we have 4 little charms. One is like a pyramid, and one is, this is like a sundial, and this is a crown, and this is a sun. So I figured sun worshippers, Catholics, Pope, I don't know. And then we have a gold cord closure with a Tim Holtz hitch post for you to tie it around. And I did go with this. I didn't have a gold hitch post, but I did do gold where I could. There's gold leaf around the frame of this Medieval Mirage gal that we're going to call Diana. And then, as usual, there's a little glassine bag that goes with it that has all sorts of unused ephemera, bits and bobs, and there'll be some twine around it. There's washi tape on the front. It's been embossed and stamped, so it can be used as well in this or any journal. Okay, so Diana, come here, Diana, and I'm going to stand up so I can see. Okay, so that's the front, and on the inside there is a ribbon tuck with a couple of the little Medieval Mirage tags inside there. And then we have a paper clip, shaker paper clip, inspired by Melina Pilot. and just adapted by me, because hers was a belly band. And then some more little ephemera pieces tucked under it. And then, oh, and there's also, I forgot to put it on here, but there'll be, this book belongs to that you can add. And this is a pretty napkin, it was, that's being used on the inside cover. Here's a couple of journaling spots, and a printed vellum from the Medieval Mirage, Roxy Creations, and the pages are all backed, and they can be embellished or written on. And here is the first pocket, and there's the front pocket here. Inspired by, I think I first saw Melina do this one, but I think I've since seen others. And here's a belly band with a little coin type envelope with a little botanical journaling card in there. And plenty of writing space, and there's a lot of stitching, a lot of sewing in this one too. All the pages, almost all, are sewn. And here's the first little tab with the pyramid. I have a love-hate relationship with these bulb pens, I'm telling you. And a little lacy flip there. We have a flip out, flip over page there with decorative stitching. This one also has decorative stitching. Some leaves right there and sewn. And this is a CD pocket. It is not a flip, but it is pocket on the inside of it, and then there's another pocket behind. And just a little tuck spot there where it's fastened. And here, just a little small pocket from the items in the kit, and some, they're almost like rub-ons, but they're actually just printed onto Avery clear sticker paper. And a little fringe. Now here's the second tab. Here's a belly band with embossed printed vellum on top of some of the Medieval Mirage paper, trimmed with this ribbon. And then on the inside is, this was in the video that will not upload, the making of this, and several other tags. So there you go. There's the finished tag right there. Let's look at it again. It deserves another look. It's made from book page and it was book page, and then the kit paper from Medieval Mirage. This is Roxy Creations. Here's some more ephemera and stuff from the kit. Here are these little window doors swing open, and then there's a pocket behind. Then here's a little flip out, plenty of writing space. It's just sewn under the corner, just a bit of fluff there. Another pocket. And here we have a couple of little tags or journaling cards. And then we have an envelope. And I'm not going to untie it. It's tied with seam binding, and it's got just ephemera on the inside of some kind. And it's got one of the little faux wax seals with the clear dome on it. Here we have a decorated glassine bag with a tag. Corner pocket with tag and a wax seal. It's a little tuck and pocket. And this is a junk mail envelope with one of the ephemera pictures on the inside. And here we have 3 little envelopes that were in the Roxy kit, and they all have some sort of little ephemera in them. Also probably from Roxy. And then this one has 2 little tags from the Medieval Mirage kit. So just need to be gentle with them and they should be fine. Here we have a little raggedy pad held in place by a invisible paper clip, hidden paper clip. So the paper clip is on the inside and not visible. So you just slip that on there. And then there's another tab. And on this page, another envelope with some ephemera on the inside. Quite nice. And a nice long tag in the back. Writing space. Here we have a doily lined with tracing paper. Oh, did I pass? Yeah, I passed our middle here where we have the the beads on the strings. They're similar, but not exactly the same. And so the little doily pocket is lined with tracing paper to aid in its strength and in being able to pull things in and out. And it's been dyed. Tea-dyed. Here we have, I'm going to call it a Gale pocket because that's where I saw it. And this is Tim Holtz, those papers that he's got now. The backgrounds, is that what it is? Wallpaper, maybe the wallpaper. And one of my little clusters. Some decorative stitching. The last tab with charm. The vellum. And on the last little pocket is, this was actually also in the video that apparently is not going to get to be seen. And another little tag there with some faux aged tape and a little label. And here we have another one of those flip outs with the ladies and a couple of the little journaling cards. Now you can you could actually put some plain paper in there if you wanted to make little hidden notes. That would be cute. And in the very back you have your writing board with my card, my thanks, and a little pig paper clip. Now these one signature softcover journals you will see are not discounted, but they're priced lower than my regular hardcover journals, especially the ones that have multi-signatures and stories and lots of stuff, extra stuff. These are simpler, they're easier to make, and take less time. So I priced them accordingly. And again, you get a packet of goodies to go with. And again, there will be a book plate. On the inside front. One of these, it will probably be... I didn't realize that was in there. Let's see, what does it say? This definitely looks medieval, but I don't know how you'd write your name there. And, but it will be nice. I got several, so I'll pick out a good one and put in there. This is my fussy cut basket. I got a lot in it. Oh me, and more birds. I don't need more birds. Okay, so that's it for Diana. Tell me what you think in the comments below. And if anybody can recommend a different software, I use one called FilmForth. That's F-O-R-T-H, FilmForth. And, you know, I used it free for most of the videos that I've got. And then I went ahead and bought it. And I really can't see that I got anything different or extra for buying the software, except headaches. I mean, it didn't act up like this while it was free. So I guess I paid for headaches when I bought it. I don't know. But anyway, this is Diana. She will not be going into my Etsy shop for a while. I've got 2 more journals to finish, and then I'm going to put them all in there at once. So I will definitely let my peeps know when they go in there. And so it'll be just kind of a random thing. Okay. I think that does it for this video. Hopefully I'm not going to have to edit anything and I can just zip it. Hopefully it's going to work. So, thank you so much for watching if it does work. And I appreciate you so much. Please leave a thumbs up if this video was to your liking, and subscribe if you haven't already. Share if you have some like-minded friends, especially a senior with nothing else to do. Or shaky hands like I've got. This will prove that they can be creative and make something pretty even with shaky hands. And so until the next time, stay well, take care, and hugs and kisses. Bye.